get ready with me to create this look with a tea. I was on my daily route to work via metro. Then I found a lady जो मेरे पास आती हैं. Directly she came up to me and she was like कि मुझे कहीं जाना है और मैं अपना पर्स और अपना बैग और फ़ोन वगैरह घर पे छोड़ आई हूँ. So you just need to help me out something. I initially thought कि she's lying और ये सब चीज़ें बहुत होती, so I didn't trust her at all. But I was like, चलो let's give us something कि जाने देते हैं, what if it's true. So I gave it a thought and just gave her what I could. And she was like कि मैं कोई भीख मांगने वाली थोड़ा ना हूँ, इतना कम दे रहे हो. मैंने कहा I was like आंटी इतना तो बहुत है. Whatever that was enough for the round way trip. So I didn't care much, but I had a thought कि ये शायद झूठ ही बोल रही थी. And one day I saw her at the exact same location but talking to someone else. So she tried to reach out to me, but then she remembered, she saw me and she ran like a freak. So I thought, let it be, I'm getting late, I need to go or something. So I left her. Didn't give much of a thought at that time because as I mentioned, I was late. I was getting late. So then again, after a few days, she came up to me again. Maybe she forgot the face or the conversation we had on the first time. So she told me the exact same story but with a different location that time. So supposedly she said last time that I want to go to Rohtak, and now she has said that she wants to go to Gurgaon, which is freaky. So I was like, आंटी आप उस दिन तो उधर जाने का बोल रहे थे, आज आप इधर जाने का बोल रहे हो. And she tried to turn down the conversation as if I don't remember her or anything else. I had a thought कि let's not help anyone else after that. Maybe I will, though, because I'm just as emotional as no one should be. So I thought let's not do it next time. लेकिन अभी कुछ टाइम पहले I saw her at the metro stairs talking to some boy. And I remember her face, I remember the body type or the type of clothes she wears. So I know her. She was talking to a boy. That was the same thing. She was telling me that she wants to go to somewhere and she don't have any purse or phone or someone to contact to at this moment. I was going there and decided to tell the boy that she is lying. So I went to the boy. Not like went to the boy. I was crossing from that area, and I told him, भाई ये झूठ बोल रही है, daily ऐसा ही बोलती है. And I remember the boy's expression. He was like looking at me, and he instantly believed me. And I'm glad he did. So, moral of the story could be anything, whatever you want to think of it. Lekin, I just thought कि let's not believe someone so blindedly. So the moral for me was to not being nice or kind to everyone who may not deserve it. For me this is like कि मैं शायद ही इसके बाद कभी किसी पे ट्रस्ट कर पाऊंगी. अगर कोई मेरे पास हेल्प के लिए भी आ रहा है तो आई थिंक बिफोर इवन हेल्पिंग, which is not so nice thing, but this is what world has taught me. मासूम मत बनो, नहीं तो बेवकूफ बना दिए जाओगे. ज़्यादा काइंडनेस मत दिखाओ, they do not deserve it. That's it for the day. हम अगली बार फिर मिलेंगे अगर कोई ऐसी बकवास स्टोरी मिली तो.
Like what?